Yes, students, 8th D exercise question number 7th. This is the given statement and you are asked to, in 7th question, what you are asked to do? You have to find the value of x when this thing is given to you, and m and n value both are given. So children, left side as it is I wrote, value of m is given log 20 and value of n is given log 25. So I put the values. Now 2 can be taken as power is equal to, see children, this 2 can also be taken as power, it will make it 20 square. Since minus sign is there, so log a minus log b it will divide. So from here x minus 4, when you will remove square will change to square root, clear, and the value of x will be 8. Question number 8, solve for x and y. You are asked to solve for x and y, this is the given question. Now you can see children, 3 parts are there of this question and you can see this is what constant. So in these type of questions we'll compare first part with the constant, then second part with the constant. So what I wrote here, log xy is equal to constant, then this term is equal to constant. So see children, how we'll solve this? How can we write 2? That is log 100. Clear? So log will get cancelled, one equation you will get from here. Now come to the other part, log a plus log b. Before that you have to take 2 as the power. Clear? That will make it 4. So log a plus log b will make it log a multiplied by b. Again 2 I wrote log 100. Clear? Log will get cancelled and then you will get second this equation. Now this value of x you can put in equation number 1. Put x from equation number 2 in equation number 1. When you will put, you will get the value of y, and then put y in any of the equation, you will get x also. 9th question, you are asked to find the value of x. So simple, write in the exponential form which I wrote and I made the quadratic, and now you know how to split it and you can find out the answer. Yes students, 11th question, again 3 terms are there and you can see that we can find out the constant value of this term. So before starting the question I will find out this value. Log 25 can be written as 5 square. Log 0.2, how it can be written? 2 by 10. Then after it will become 2 log 5, and here you can write it log a upon b is what? Log a minus log b. Clear? And I already told you what is the value of log 1? 0. So what you will get? 2 log 5 over minus log 5. Log and log will get cancelled and the value is minus 2. Now as we did in question number 9, we will do in the same way. We will compare this value with this. And what is the answer of this? Minus 2. So this is equal to minus 2. After that this is equal to this, all are equal. So I can write this is equal to minus 2 only. Then after you have to write in exponential form. So same way children, you will obtain one equation from here. One equation you will obtain from here. Now from these 2 equations, arrange them properly. Simultaneous equation you have done in class 8. How to solve? Multiply equation 1 with the coefficient of x. Multiply equation 2 with the coefficient of x of first equation. So I am going to multiply first equation with 9, second equation with 4. So when you will multiply you will get this term. Clear? Then after we have to change their sign. First term will get cancelled. 36 plus 36 72y, 9 minus 4 is 5. From here y is 5 by 72. Now put this value in any equation, either 1 either 2. You will get the value of x also. 12th sum students, this is given to you and this value is also given. Find x and y. So look, very important question children. I cross multiplied here. Clear? It will be 2 log x 3 log y. Take it as the power. So one equation is x square is equal to y cube. Another information, this is given to you. How can I write 5? 5 can be written as log and 5 zeros. I told you log 10 1, log 100 2, log 1000 3. Same way, this will be log 5. xy is equal to this. Now 2 equations again you will get. Clear? From first equation children, x is equal to y raised to power 3 by 2. Because when you will remove square from this side it will change to 1 by 2. So it will make it 3 by 2. Now put this value in equation number 2. This was equation number 2. I replaced x with y raised to power 3 by 2. Now same basis, when they multiply their powers will add. So 3 by 2 plus what is the power here? 1. 3 by 2 plus 1 will be 5 by 2 is equal to this value. Now look children, y power 5 by 2 Can I write this as 10 raised to the power 5? Please don't include this portion. Clear? 10 raised to the power 5. Now y is equal to, see children, I already told you if you remove square from one side, it changes to 1 by 2. Cube changes to 1 by 3. So 5 by 2 will change to 2 by 5. We will reciprocate it. It will get cancelled. You are left with 10 square, that is 100. So y is 100. X you can find out by putting it in any equation, that is the value of x. Yes students, 13th question. These two are the given values. This I wrote in exponential form. And you are asked to find out the value of p in terms of a and b. So let's start now. Write this also in exponential form written. Now I can write this term as, since minus sign is there, 10 raised to the power 3a, it will divide. Same basis, when they will divide, powers will subtract. So I can write this expression in this way. Now this expression can be written 10 power a raised to the power 3 because I have this value. Same way this can be written in this way. Now what is 10 raised to the power a? That is under root x. 10 raised to the power b is y square. Put the values. It will make it x power 3 by 2 and y power 4. 15th question children. You can see all the bases are same. Bases are not 10 but they are x and they are same. I told you if bases are same you can apply the property. So log x 49, minus sign is there so 7 will divide, plus sign is there 1 by 343 will multiply. Clear? Then after it will make it log x 49 into divide by 7 into 1 by 3. This 2 I have taken on this side. Please don't include this portion. Clear? 2 is taken on that side. Then after solving this we are left with, okay students, after solving this we will get log x 1 over 49 is equal to minus 2. Write in exponential form, you will get the result. 16th question. This expression is given to us and you are asked to find the value of c in terms of x and y. Children, value of a square is given. I will put it here. B cube is also given. We will put it here. Then after take an LCM, that you know how to take LCM. Then 16 will be, this 6 will be taken on other side. I will take 6 over here. Clear? Then it will become log a minus log b. That is what? Log a upon b. And this 6 will be taken as power. Clear? So this is the answer. We got the value of c in terms of x and y. Yes, this is c power 6 but we are asked to find the value of c. So children, square changes to square root. This is power 6 will change to 6th root of the equation. So this is the answer. 18th question. Collect logarithmic terms one side. Then apply the property log a plus log b. That is log a into b. Then write in the exponential form. This is what? X power 2 is equal to, solve this, 15 3s are 45, root 5 into root 5 is 5. That is 225. You can find the value of x. 19th question children, very important. There are few more properties given before the exercise 8D. Go through that. So these questions will be solved up based upon those properties. Find the value. Look children, this expression can be written as log a over log b. Base can be taken like this. This expression can be written as log b over log c. This is the property. Go through it. You will get to know. Log c over log a. And then you can see log b will get cancelled with this. This will get cancelled with this. Final answer is 1. Same way, this is the question. How will write it? Log this divide by this. Can I write it like this? Now apply the property. As we did in first part, how we can write this expression? Log 8 over log 3. Log 16 over log 9. Now we know that we have to reciprocate the term. It will become log 8 over log 3. Multiply. This term will go there in the numerator and log 16 will be written here. Now children, without showing, I wrote directly. How can we write 8? 2 cube. So 3 will be taken in front. Log 2 you will left with. Multiply. 9 can be written as 3 square. 2 will be taken in front. Log 3. Then log 3. Multiply. Log 16. It can be written as 2 power 4. So 4 will come in front and log 2. Log 3 cancel. Log 2 cancel. You are left with 3 by 2. 1.5 is the answer. Yes students, 22nd question. This is the question. Write in exponential form. Base is root 27 raised to the power 3 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8 by 3 equal to x. Root means 1 by 2. So powers will multiply. Then how can we write 27? 3 power 3. 8 ones are 8, 3 twos are 6. When you will multiply these two, 3 and 6 will get cancelled. What you are left with? 3 power 4, and answer is 81. Children, with this maximum questions I solved. I left question number 22 for you because I want you to try the question yourself. Go through the properties which are given before 8th D exercise and complete the chapter. Thank you.